Hey, what's going on? This is Coach Slim. This past week, I got to take a trip to Guatemala for a 4-game series with a team representing Miami. Special shout out goes to Alberto Douglas of Deuce Ballers for making this happen. And a special shout out goes to Chanel Davila for putting me on her staff. It's honestly an honor to be a part of something like this. We were able to play the national teams of Guatemala, El Salvador, and Costa Rica. And I will say this, they play hard. It's a different brand of basketball, and I appreciate that. Anytime I could see something different or a different style, it's an opportunity for me to learn. And I definitely learned a lot throughout this trip. I will say this about Guatemala as a country. It's a beautiful place. I definitely would like to visit again. It was that magical of a trip. And I would definitely suggest it to anyone interested in trying to learn something new or see something different. Have a good day.